So congratulations with a huge round of applause. Lokya Lakshmi onto the stage, the best female actor, Kaliyuga Swayamvaram. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you and congratulations to all the award winners. On to the stage, Chaitu for the best director, 7:11 p.m. The award goes to Chaitu Garu for the best director for the movie 7:11 p.m. 7